like your gear, man.
Yeah.
Flip-flops.
What are you talking about flip-flops? Can't you see?
It's Dainty.
No, it's a CD leather boots. And my,
It's a low cut, right?
yeah, low-cut CD riding boots. And my jacket, made by Dainty as well. And my shorts, Dainty. If you want to be safe, wear my riding gear.
Where can we get that?
You can order it in Italy. I know the guy. I know this guy where he makes a customized riding gear just for you, according to your size and weight and length and stuff. So if you wanna get one, just let me know. I'll hook you up with him. I mean, you cannot buy this online. It's a special order. Alright, so if you want a gear like this, let me know and I will hook you up with the guy, with the right guy who makes this riding gear. Alright?
Your exhaust. It sounds good, man.
Yeah.
Did you put a Darna stone on it?
Yeah, 2 Darna stones.
2 Darna stones?
Yes. Without those 2 Darna stones, it will not sound so good.
Where did you get it?
In the Philippines. You cannot buy those Darna stones online or somewhere else. Only in the Philippines. Alright? I know this guy and he makes Darna stones for the exhaust. And
How many horsepower gain?
about 50 more horsepower.
So it's equal to a Ninja 300 now?
More than man, more than. Alright? Ride safe, guys. Ride safe. Remember, always wear a proper gear.